Good morning, students. Yesterday I introduced you to our fifth lesson of supplementary reader, that is Princess September. As I told you that the story is set in Thailand. The king and the queen had a peculiar habit. Instead of receiving gifts on his birthday, the king was in the habit of giving them. The king used to give gifts on his birthdays. Okay? Apart from it, one more thing is there. He had so many daughters and he found it very difficult to remember those names. And therefore, they named them January, February, March. Okay? Of course, Siamese भाषा में, अपने इंग्लिश में नहीं. सियामीज मीन्स थाईलैंड की भाषा में जो है उनके नाम मंथ के नेम में थे. ओके, इंग्लिश मंथ नहीं थे, बट दे वर इन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ थाईलैंड. द नेम्स ऑफ द मंथ्स वर इन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ थाईलैंड एंड दे वर नेम्ड as January, February, March, and the youngest one was named as September. Okay. The king, as I told you, had a peculiar habit, means he used to give gifts instead of receiving on his birthday. Okay. One day he did not find anything handy, so he gave a parrot in golden cage, and these parrots could speak. The princesses were very fond of them and they could speak now. Pretty Polly and God said the king in 7 different languages. I have already told you. Then one day, come to page number 35. But one day when Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot, she found it lying dead at the bottom of its golden cage. She burst into the flood of tears, and nothing that her maids of honor could say comforted her. She cried so much that the maids of honor, not knowing what to do, told the queen, and the queen said it was stuff and nonsense, that the child had better to go back without any supper. The maids of honor wanted to go to a party, so they put the princess to bed as quickly as they could and left her by herself. And while she lay in her bed, crying still, even though she felt rather hungry, she saw a little bird move into her room. She wiped her tears and sat up. Then the little bird began to sing, and he sang a beautiful song all about the lake in the king's garden and willow trees that looked at themselves in the still water, and the goldfish that glided in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. When he had finished, the princess was not crying anymore, and she quite forgot that she had no supper. That was a very nice song, she said. What happened now? When she woke up one day, means who? Princess September, to say good morning to her parrot, she found that it was lying dead in the cage. And she burst into the flood of tears. रोने लगी, जोर जोर से रोने लगी. She इतना रोई that her maids of honor could not comfort her. Maids of honor, the women who attend the princess, जो princess की servants होती है, उसका ख्याल रखती है, वो maids of honor कहलाती है. So they could not comfort her, उसको दिलासा नहीं दे पाए. इतना रोई वो कि मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर भी समझ नहीं पा रही थी कि क्या करें. सो दे रिपोर्टेड अबाउट इट to the queen. Queen को उन्होंने बताया and queen said that it was stuff and nonsense. Write the meaning of stuff and nonsense. It means it is useless. Stuff and nonsense means there is nothing to worry about and to use. Okay, it is of no use. Stuff and nonsense. Of no use means crying of no use. And the child had better to go bed without any supper. And she declared that it would be better if her child would go to bed without having any supper. बिना खाना खाए अच्छा हो जाएगा, वो सो जाएगी. तो उसको खाने के लिए भी मना कर दिया. She cried so much that the queen became angry and she said that her daughter could go to sleep without having any supper. Supper means the evening meal. Okay? Then maids of honor wanted to go to a party, so they left the princess on her own. उसके अपने हाल पर छोड़ दिया. Now what happened? She was crying still, even now. So bitterly she was crying that though she felt rather hungry, she saw a little bird hop into her room. Though now she felt a little bit hungry, she suddenly saw a little bird entered into her room. Then she wiped her tears and sat up. अपने आंसू पोंछे और बैठी. When she saw that beautiful bird, and this bird hopped into. Hop मतलब jump करते हुए अंदर आ जाना, jump करना. So the bird hopped into the room of the princess, and she saw her. She wiped her tears, and when the bird began to sing, it was so melodious that the princess forgot the death of her parrot at that moment. He sang a beautiful song all about the lake in the king's garden and the willow trees that looked at themselves in the still water and the goldfish that glided in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. The bird started singing song in a melodious voice, and that song was about the king's garden. So song किसके बारे में था? किंग के गार्डन के बारे में. And the willow trees, जो willow trees क्या हिल्स पर, पहाड़ी इलाकों में willow trees मिलते हैं, पाइन लाइक होते हैं. So willow trees जिनका रिफ्लेक्शन उस स्टिल वाटर, स्टिल मतलब द वाटर विच डज नॉट मूव, जो स्टिल वाटर होता है, ठहरा हुआ पानी, तो बिल्कुल काम और कूल और बहुत क्लियर होता है. सो द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ दोज विलो ट्रीज एंड द गोल्ड फिश दैट कुड बी सीन स्विमिंग इन एंड आउट इनटू द ब्रांचेज ऑफ द विलो ट्री, जो पानी में रिफ्लेक्शन नज़र आ रहा था, उन ब्रांचेज में तैरती हुई गोल्ड फिश का रिफ्लेक्शन नज़र आ रहा था. इस बारे में उसने सॉन्ग गाया, हु द बर्ड विच hopped into the room of the princess. Okay, then when the bird had finished the song, the princess was not crying anymore. अब उसने रोना बंद कर दिया. Means the song was so melodious that the princess stopped crying. She was not crying anymore, and she forgot quite that she had had no supper. ये भी भूल गई थी कि उसने आज खाना नहीं खाया, भूख लग रही थी, वो भी भूल गई. That was a very nice song, she said. उसने कहा बहुत सुंदर गाया तुमने. The little bird gave her a bow. Would you care to have me in place of your parrot? Said the little bird. See, it's true that I am not so pretty to look at, but on the other hand, I have a much better voice. Princess September clapped her hands and with delight, and then the little bird hopped on to the end of her bed and sang her to sleep. Little bird gave her a bow. Bow यानी respect में झुकना. To incline the head in salutation. ऐसे सिर झुकाकर विश करना. तो बर्ड गॉट एग्री. बर्ड भी खुश हो गया. बर्ड ने सिर झुकाकर प्रिंसेस को विश किया. बर्ड ने बोला, इट इज़ ट्रू दैट आई एम नॉट एज प्रेटी एज योर पैरट. इतना सुंदर नहीं हूँ तुम्हारे पैरट जितना. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड आई हैव अ मच बेटर वॉइस. लेकिन दूसरी तरफ मेरी आवाज़ बहुत सुरीली है. देन प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर क्लैप्ड हर हैंड्स विद डिलाइट. और बहुत खुश हो गई. वो क्लैपिंग करने लगी, खुशी के मारे तालियां बजाने लगी. और द लिटिल बर्ड hopped onto the end of her bed and sang her to sleep. और वो बर्ड हॉप करता हुआ, जंप करता हुआ उसके बेड तक आ गया. और बर्ड ने गाना शुरू कर दिया. टिल द प्रिंसेस कुड नॉट स्लीप. जब तक कि प्रिंसेस को नींद नहीं आ गई, बर्ड ने गाना गाना शुरू कर दिया. When she awoke the next day, the little bird was still there. जब वो अगले दिन उठा, प्रिंसेस जब उठी. When she awoke, who? The princess. When she awoke the next day, the little bird was still there. अभी भी वो वही था. As she opened her eyes, he said, "Good morning." He wished the princess. The maids of honor brought in her breakfast, and he ate rice out of her hand, and he had his bath in her saucer. क्या हुआ? Maids of honor means the attendants of the princess brought her breakfast. प्रिंसेस के लिए ब्रेकफास्ट लाया गया. Then the bird ate rice out of the hands of Princess September. बर्ड ने प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर के हाथ से राइस खाया. Then bird had a bath in her saucer. उसकी वहीं पर प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर के पास ही उसकी सॉसर में ही नहाया. और उसने फिर गाना शुरू किया ब्यूटीफुली. दैट्स द मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर वर क्वाइट सरप्राइज. कि उसकी जो अटेंडेंट्स थी, मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर्स वर ऑल्सो सरप्राइज टू हियर सच अ मेलोडियस वॉइस. एंड फॉर दे हैड नेवर हर्ड एनीथिंग लाइक इट. And Princess September was very proud and happy now, because no one had ever heard such a melodious voice. And now onwards, Princess September was very proud and happy. She was feeling very happy. She was feeling very proud. Now I want to show you to my 8 sisters, said the princess. Now the Princess September told the bird that she wanted to show him to her 8 sisters. Okay? So I hope you have understood what has been taught to you till now.